anything, ladies and gentlemen. It is because if I shall miss that, I am not paying attention as a child of God. I am not paying attention as a child of God. When we come to church this way, we have come to learn, we have come to be trained, we have come to be refined, we have come to be polished. When your memory home siska koko it are sorry ni ja and I walk kakoko. But if I extract gold right now in Obuasi or Prisia or Takwa or even in Nkoko, and I tell you that this is gold, you will not believe it until I refine it or I take it through a refinery process or I smear gold. Raw gold does not glitter. I take it through a smearing phase. Then in that process, the best of that commodity is going to come forth. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is very, very important. The Bible said very clear in Romans chapter 15 and verse 4. He said, everything that was written for our learning. Yeah, that we through patience and comfort of the scriptures, the Bible said we might obtain hope. In other words, will be to say Jeremiah. Now me the na year addition. If I will be to say Abraham, na ye see be free in chain. If I will be to say Isaiah, na ye see be free in chain. If I will be to say Nahum and Habakkuk and Micah and I say one more a D and Kano. Now you follow woman, you see the free woman chain. And so coming to church is not going to check Kaba style. This is not a place of exploitation. This is not a place for any before and crime for to come and fraternize. This is not a place for tribal petty nonsense. This is not a place for your political madness. You don't bring it here. The Bible said this is the house of the Lord. He is in his house. Let everything be silent before him. Yeah, for you have come unto Mount Zion. Yeah. Hebrews chapter number 12 verse number 22. He made a submission and statement. You have come to Mount Zion, unto the city of the living God, to the heavenly Jerusalem. You have come to the innumerable company of angels. When we come to church, you have come to the general assembly, to the church of the firstborn, which is written in heaven. You have come to God, the judge of all. You have come to the spirits of holy or just men made perfect.